Okay, in this demo, just wanted to demonstrate how you would neutralize a strong acid. So I have a 7% hydrochloric acid solution right here that I'm just going to add a little bit to a beaker. And the purpose of this study is to show good safety technique. So I would always handle acids with extreme care. You can use a mask. You have goggles. You should wear gloves like what I'm doing right here. And if you can do this in a vacuum hood, that's preferable, or in an open air environment. I've decided to use 7% hydrochloric acid. Muriatic acid is not as concentrated as full-blown, full-strength hydrochloric acid, and that is available in hardware stores and stuff. What I did is I took some of that muriatic acid, diluted it down to 7%, and just wanted to show what happens if you add in baking soda. Like for instance, here you have the super washing soda. This is what you would do. To neutralize a strong acid, you need a pretty good base. And so I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. You're gonna see that it instantly foams up and it's gonna gas. The evolution of both chlorine gas and some of the carbonate is perfectly natural. You see how that created a very dynamic environment, but what you're doing is you're actually helping to precipitate sodium chloride, thus neutralizing the strong acid.